Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2023-24 Vantage. It's a fantastic little boat. It does everything extremely well. It's got the new Merc on the back with a 300 horsepower, plenty of horsepower for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 24 Vantage. Let's start at the back here. We've got the live well, conveniently located, plenty of room for your bait. Also doubles as a cooler very nicely. And if you're just going out for a ride and you're not going to fish today, you got a nice comfy seat. Two adults, very, very comfortable, nice high back on it. And if you are going to fish, out of the way, very comfortable leaning post here. So, very comfortable as far as fishing. You get the all the way around. You got it's all cushioned all throughout the entire boat. And then we've got the hard top on this. Is what they're doing now, which really I think looks fantastic, is they're matching the hull sides with the undertop, so it really contrasts really, really nice with the white and the blue. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. You've got a prep station over here with trash underneath it, and then the seat does all kinds of things. You can sit facing this way. I can do this. The table goes right in here, and I can lean this all the way down, and you can lounge facing forward, or you can lay that down and lounge facing back this way. Storage all underneath. Storage all underneath here as well. So it's actually self-draining, so you could actually ice this down if you wanted to and make it a big cooler. So a nice option to have. Then you have the head. Good size head with the vacuum flush. So a lot of the boats this size do not have the vacuum flush head, but this one does. Got a pull-out faucet, so you can rinse yourself off. If you're coming off the beach, you want to go to a restaurant or whatever, you can rinse the salt off you and put your clothes on and go out for a nice dinner. It's got a great sound system on it as well. And then over at the helm, it's got a large Simrad on here, so you can split the screen and put multiple screens on here, which is good. You got the JL sound system, and you get the Mercury SmartGraph computer. You've got a Simrad VHF, and you have trim tab. So you've pretty much very nicely set up here to go for a nice day on the boat. Let's move up. So we got canvas in here now. So this is like the cockpit cover, but this is all storage. Your table storage is inside here as well, and so it's actually pretty good size, and I can access it from up here as well. You have a little trash door with a 5-gallon pail right just tucked inside right there. So very convenient for everybody involved here. Good place for the trash. Very comfortable seating. Lounges here, just comfortable all the way around. You can put 4 or 5 adults, very comfortable. And then you've got the concealed windlass down here, recessed. And then you also have the beach boarding ladder. The beach boarding ladder is just great. You can bring this right up onto the beach. You can drop the ladder down. You can get on and off without getting wet. And a lot of people like that, especially the ladies, they appreciate not having to get in the water and get on and off from the back of the boat. So this is a really nice feature, especially down where we are here. And also it has a sun top. In the sun top, it's a 50-50 shade. It doesn't stop the rain, but it takes about 50% of the sun away. So down here, it's really nice as well. So it's a great boat. It does everything extremely well. If you got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.